Hi guys, Shibaswap is live finally. It's take too long, we wait too long, but it worth, believe me. In this video I will show you how to connect your Metamask wallet on desktop and mobile application like Metamask and Coinbase. First, on desktop you need to connect your Metamask and bury your Shib or Leash to earn bone and gain returns. Okay, go to shibaswap.com, click connect your wallet, and you will see options. Here is Metamask, wallet connect, or Coinbase wallet. Here I will work with Metamask. Just click here, and your Metamask will show you this screen window. Just click next, click connect, and you will see here your wallet is connected to Shibaswap. Now, in order to stake your tokens, click here on stake tokens. In order to stake, you need to choose bury Shib, bury Leash, or bury bone. Now I will show you for Shib because I don't have Leash, but it's pretty same for every token. Okay, you need to click here bury Shib, and it will show here your amount of Shib. You can choose how much you want to stake here, or just you can type your amount. Okay, I will type all amount that I have in this wallet. You need to click approve. When you click approve, Metamask will show you how much is transaction fee. You will have two transaction fee. One is this that approve Shib contract. When you click confirm, it will approve your tokens. I don't have enough Ethereum to confirm this transaction, but don't worry, it's really easy. When you click confirm, you will see in the bottom right screen here that transaction is confirmed, and here you will see button stake. When you click stake, you will see another window of this kind for one more fee, and you need to click confirm that also, and your Shib will be staked. I will just click reject here. At the second step, when you pay second fee, here you will see the message pop-up window that told you that you are enter a dog yard and everything is fine. Your Shib is staked and you earn bone token. This is here bone price of bone token, price of Leash, and price of Shib. That is all. When you do that in Metamask didn't show your staked token. You need to add xLeash, xShib, or tBone. Sorry, Metamask didn't recognize that token. You need to add custom token. You will do this in this way. Go to your Metamask, of course, click here add token, click custom token, and a token contract. I will post in description addresses of all Shib, Leash, and xShib, xLeash, and tBone. Okay, now we will add xLeash to Metamask. Just go to Metamask. Okay, click add token, custom token, and paste that address of xShib. You will see symbol here and that symbol here. Just click next. and click add tokens, and xShib will be in your wallet here. Now it's 0 because I didn't stake any SHIB, but you will see if you stake 10,000 of SHIB or some other number, never mind, you will see that amount as xShib. Also, you need to do that for xLeash if you stake Leash, or tBone if you stake Bone. Okay, now I will show you for mobile application like Metamask and Coinbase. It's pretty same to do that. Okay, first we will do that for Metamask. I make some screenshot to make it easier and don't record the video. It's easier with a couple of screenshots. Okay, when you are on your mobile application Metamask, you need to click here on these 3 lines. I mark it red where to click. When you click here on that, it will show you this. You need to click browser here. When you click that, you will see this screen, and in this box just type shibaswap.com, and it will be connected with your wallet, and it's same steps as I show you for desktop, same is for mobile. Just click, just type Shibaswap here in Metamask browser, connect your wallet, and choose to bury token, amount, approve transactions, fees, and everything. That is for Metamask. And for Coinbase, Coinbase is really easy. When you are in your mobile application Coinbase wallet, just click here. When you click here, it will show you this screen. Here in the top, just type shibaswap.com, and it will connect your Coinbase wallet. Easy step in Coinbase is that you don't need to add xShib, xLeash, or tBone, because Coinbase automatically recognizes that. Okay, when you connect all, you can stake your tokens and earn some bone. Don't worry, you will not see at the moment your earned tokens like bone. It takes times. We will see it in next couple of days, as devs and other SHIB army members told us. That is all, guys. Thank you for watching. Click subscribe and notification bell for new videos.